G'day, I'm Gavin Milne. I'm an engineer within the asset planning team. So I'm working on the cover and liner replacement for Sanders Basin in Churchill. Sanders Basin is one of our major storages up in the Churchill system. It feeds water through to quite a few customers out that way, some 1,800 customers directly, and an additional 1,800 customers have their water pass through the Sanders Basin. The cover and liner is due for replacement due to deterioration over time. The liner was originally installed in 1994. The cover was installed in around year 2000, and since then it's just deteriorated over time. The benefit is maintaining our drinking water standards and access for our Churchill customers. The project's expected to be completed in 2022.